Making customers happy is a serious priority for us, so when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. We are only one call away from serving you.